everyone, I'm Nadia. Today, I like to tell you about my daily activities at home. Let's begin. In the morning, I wake up at 5 o'clock to perform the Fajr prayer. After praying, I see my mother cooking and I help tie-dye up the house. At 7 o'clock, I take a shower and then feed my cat, pray. In the afternoon, at 1 o'clock, I perform the Duhur prayer. After praying, I feed pray my cat and then sit in the living room with my mother to chat or watching TV, usually with Braille as well. In the evening, at 4 o'clock, I perform the Asar prayer and then resume tidying up the house and help my mother cook dinner. At 5:30, I take a shower, followed by the Maghrib prayer and Quran recitation. At 7 o'clock, I feed Braille again and then have dinner with my mother. At 9 o'clock, I perform the Isha prayer and then continue with my activities such as playing with Braille or watching Korean dramas before going to bed. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.